All right, so we're going to show you our cabin. It is 8412. So you have to put a card in here. Upon shutting the door, we have a peephole, general information TV. We have our water that we purchased extra. They gave us some towels. There's some storage, some trash. And here is the refrigerator. We have our beautiful wardrobe here. Lots of hangers. Beautiful mirror to see yourself in. We have the safe here, several drawers. Our safe is currently not functioning, so if we request someone to come and check it out. And then we have the wonderful bed. In this scenario, it is 2 twin beds pushed together to make a king. We have our beautiful lamps on both sides. They both have a little bit of storage here. And then we have the main cabin on and off switch. I won't turn the lights off on you. We got our seating, and we have our desk, our phone, our important papers. We have a drawer with a dryer, and that is not a drawer, it's a big drawer. Have a seat, and I believe this mirror comes on. Yep, light comes on. So for outlets, we have 2 standard, 1 European, 2 USB. That's pretty good. We have our temperatures, our snooze and do not disturb signs. Bathroom, we have 3 hooks on the door. Bathroom light off, on. It is a shower curtain situation. We have shower gel and shampoo. I'm going to guess that is a shampoo conditioner mix. We have our spray head, looks like an adjustable rod, soap dish. Now I have seen in other rooms that they had the step bar. They do not have it in the shower, so boo. They have the clothes rack, handlebar, closes here. So we have our pretty shower curtain, toilet, nice mirror here. Looks like regular magnification, extra magnification, shelves, extra toiletries. Don't think this opens. Trash bin, tissue, soap, more shelves. Me, hi. Okay, so that is room 8412 inside cabin. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Hey guys, so this is Future Mindy. I just wanted to give you a few quick little details about the room that we stayed in. It has to be one of my favorite rooms. One, because it stayed cool. It was amazing. It was the most comfortable temperature-wise room that we've stayed in so far. I will also say that it was one of the most quiet rooms we've stayed in so far. I would totally book that room again. It was quiet, it was dark, it was cool. Check, check, check. All my favorite boxes. However, the drain in the shower was slow. So slow. Like it would hold all the way up to that little lip and then slowly drain out. So you were like literally standing in a puddle of water the whole time you were showering. And I don't love the shower curtain, but those things aside, the room was good. It was really super quiet. I really did like that it was back in that little alcove hallway off the main drag. Super nice. So that's the whole room. If you have any questions about this particular room, drop me a comment down below. Please remember to like and subscribe. I've got all of the Horizon videos getting ready to come out over the next several weeks. It was a good trip. I can't wait to share it with you. Also, we have the MSC side, the MSC Seaside coming up in about 6 weeks. So like, subscribe, follow me, join in on the fun, have an adventure with me, have an adventure of your own. And until the next time, guys, shake a tail feather.